Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with SuperForex. Today, we shall be looking at a technical analysis on the currency pair, the United States dollars to the Canadian dollars. As usual, first, we shall be looking at fundamental analysis before we move right down ahead to technical analysis, which is purely what we'll be seeing on the chart. First off, we will talk about a fundamental analysis. USD CAD extends rebound to a new weekly high above the 1.2380 mark. And it pushes higher for the second straight day on Tuesday. And also, we notice that falling crude oil prices continue to weigh on the Canadian dollar, and the US dollar index climbs above much expected 92.00 ahead of the American session. After closing the first day of the week in the positive territory, the United States dollar to the Canadian pair reversed its bullish momentum and reached its highest level in a week at 1.2383 on Tuesday. As of writing, the pair was up 0.33% on a daily basis at 1.2377. And focus shifts to US data on Monday, falling crude oil prices weighed heavily on the commodity-related loonie. The barrel of West Texas Intermediate WTI lost 1.65% as investors get ready for Thursday's OPEC Plus meeting. Currently, WTI is down with 0.6% at $72.35, making it difficult for the Canadian dollar to show resilience against its rivals. Now, we shall be looking at purely what we're seeing on the chart here. We're currently on the 1 hour time frame, and we have been noticing an upside from the breakout of this resistance zone earlier today, and it has still been going down, and we marked our major support zone at 1.22508. And the breakout of the resistance zone had been up of course, and up to this point, where we have our next resistance point at a 1.23986 landmark. And we are looking for a much more required upside to at least this point of resistance at 1.24678 in extension. Now, our preference says that long positions above 1.2320, with our target set at 1.2360, and an extension to the 1.23840 means an upside is in confirmation. While alternative scenario says below 1.2320, we look for further downside with 1.2300 and 1.2285 as targets. And the RSI calls for a new up leg, as we can see from here. So we'll be marking out major resistances, but first we have to move down to the daily time frame. We can see major supports and major resistances all glaring on our screen, and we can mark this on 1.2285, which is the last support, and we have the next to be 1.2300, and also we have a 1.2320, and the last, of course, for the support zone, we have it at 1.2327. While for the resistance point, we have the highest wish to be 1.2400, and also we have the 1.2380, and then we have the 1.2360 zone, and that marks it all. So if we were to make an entry to this trade, and we put an entry at this point and let the trade run up to this point, which is the first resistance zone from our entry point, we should be racking nothing less than 80 pips to 100 pips from this trade, which is good money. So that's our technical analysis on the currency pair, the United States dollars to the Canadian dollar. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.